like this, kid.
Oh my God! I was a fever.
Well then, do I have a product for you?
Really? What is it?
The invincibility belt!
Wow, what does it do?
Well then, follow me. Here, put this on.
Okay.
While John's putting on the invincibility belt, we'll have a little chat. The invincibility belt has custom, soft and natural leather. That's right. As soft as cotton balls, you know how soft they are. The invincibility belt here has some extra bling, as you see. For style. Some of this bling is inspired by the famous rapper Rick Ross, we all know. Yeah. The bling is made from authentically cut diamonds. The invincibility belt even has a solid gold belt buckle. Solid gold.
Okay, I'm all set. Let's see what the invincibility belt can do.
But wait! I have to tell you what it really actually can do.
Okay.
To make the invincibility belt, we use the power of God. That's right, I said it. Because of God's power, we are able to give you the invincibility belt. We got this amazing power by taking a micro-sized piece of sand from the Ten Commandments and placing it inside the invincibility belt. Obviously, the invincibility belt makes you invincible to anything. Amazing. I know.
Okay, now that you're done with that, we can test the invincibility belt.
Okay, but this might be a risk. The first test, I whack you with a baseball bat. Yeah!
What? But no! How?
Don't worry, you'll be completely invincible with the invincibility belt.
Okay, where are we testing?
Oh, don't worry, I already have that solved. Our
Wait.
lab.
Let's go!
Here we are! You like it? Brace yourself for nothing.
Okay, I hope this works. Otherwise, I'll have a very odd nose.
And flat. Here we go. Say hello to my little friend!
Hold it, pecan pie! The invincibility belt really works! I felt nothing!
Okay, now that it's over, we're gonna go to our second test. Before our second test, we're gonna have to go outside. Okay, but the second test is, I didn't go fall on you!
Sure.
You got that?
Wow! That did not hurt at all! The invincibility belt rocks!
Well, duh! It's the invincibility belt. Now to the third test. That's right. Now you can get the invincibility belt for only 2 payments of $20. What a deal!
The invincibility belt rocks!
99% of America says that the invincibility belt is better than Life Alert.
Our senior citizens shouldn't have Life Alert.
Everyone from age 10 to 90 is using the invincibility belt. Hear this from our satisfied customers.
The invincibility belt is awesome. You should buy the invincibility belt right. Wait, what does that say?
That invincibility belt keeps my baby safe from harm.
The invisibility belt keeps my stuffed animals safe from harm.
If you buy the invincibility belt, you're just plain crazy. Not only do normal people use the invincibility belt, but Britney Spears and Santa Claus do. If you call right now, you'll get a free built-in MP3 player. The number to order the invincibility belt is 1-800-BELTS. Again, 1-800-BELTS.
Invincibility is possibility!
Come on!